I am Dr. Suresh C Hegadi, Principal of Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. Warm greetings to all of you from Sims family. On the eve of NSS Day on 24th September 2020, between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., the NSS unit of Sims in association with NSS cell of Bangalore University is organizing one-day national level virtual workshop on drug abuse awareness and prevention with the object of creating an awareness and to help in constructing a better society to live in. The workshop will be inaugurated by Dr. K.R. Venugopal sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University. Keynote address will be delivered by Dr. N. Satish Gowda, NSS Program Coordinator of Bangalore University. There will be two technical sessions, one on combating the drug abuse through criminal law by Dr. P. Puneet, Associate Professor of Law Center, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, and the other one on drug addiction, devastation of a young generation by Dr. Anjanappa, T.M., a well-known general surgeon. Dr. Gananath Shetty Ekar, State NSS Officer, and Sri Soundarya P. Manjappa, Chairman ACT, will be the chief guest of the workshop. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Singh's family, I request all of you to connect yourself to the workshop and make it meaningful and successful one. Thank you.
Greetings to all. On behalf of the Sims family, I greet you all on this auspicious day. I am Shivkumar Ganachari, Coordinator Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Soundarya Institute of Management and Science. Our institution always stands in the forefront in upholding the social values, building capacities among younger generation, and constructive use of the potentiality of youths. As a result of that, the NSS unit of our institution is in the collaboration with the Bangalore University NSS unit cell. We are organizing the drug abuse awareness and prevention program on 24th of September 2020. Please join this event, and the renowned speakers will throw a light on contemporary issues and pushing the young generation towards in a right path. I hope all will join and enjoy with the session, and please join with the link with the YouTube by subscribing Soundarya Institution's the YouTube channel. Thank you.